Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to lesson 7.7, Justify Fractions as Division. Let's get started. Today's objective is I can relate fractions to division by dividing a whole number by another whole number and justifying my answer by showing between which two whole numbers my answer lies, with 100% accuracy in multiple attempts. Please pause now to type your I can and by statement into your digital math notebook. All right, fifth graders, yesterday we talked about these problems where we're dividing a whole number by another whole number, but getting a fractional answer. They were a little bit tricky, so today we're going to work on them again. But today we're not just going to get an answer, we're going to justify our answer. We're going to prove our answer by saying which two whole numbers our answer will be between. Let's try a problem together. Here's our problem. John and William order 3 pizzas, and they split them equally. How much pizza will each boy get? So think about again, what are we splitting up? We're splitting up the pizzas. Pizzas is our dividend. So we have 3 pizzas, and each pizza will be shared equally by John and William. There are 2 people, so I'm going to split each pizza into 2. If I'm John, I'm going to get 3 of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, but each piece is a half of the pizzas. So I'm going to get 3 half pizzas. Let's do that in math. This would look like 3 divided by 2. This means that our fraction is going to be the first one on top, the second one on the bottom, 3 over 2. It is improper, so let's go to this box. 2 goes into 3 one time, which uses up 2, and we're left over with 1. So that means that I will get 1 and 1 left over. Remember, this comes from here, of a pizza. I'll get 1 whole pizza and a half of a pizza. Now let's justify this. Each boy will get at least 1 pizza, but each boy will not get more than 2 pizzas. Because if I had 2 pizzas each and 2 people, that would be 4 pizzas. I don't have 4 pizzas, I only have 2. Because the answer is between 1 and 2. So that's how we're going to justify our answer, by saying which whole numbers our answer is between. Let's try one together. We are in your digital math notebook now. You have spots to fill in and models to complete with me. Grace, Megan, Olivia, and Stephanie, that's 4 people. Share, there's our divide word, 3 cupcakes. How much cupcake will each girl get? Okay, so let's think about what we're dividing. We're not dividing girls, we're dividing cupcakes. So we're going to start with our picture of 3. We have 3 cupcakes. And then the girls share them. There are 4 girls, so I'm going to split each cupcake into 4 pieces. Now let's say, because my name is Megan, that I'm Megan, and I'm going to take 1 of each of these 4 pieces. That means that I now have 3/4. In math, this would be 3 cupcakes divided by 4 people. Our answer would be a fraction, where the first one goes to the top and the second one goes to the bottom. 3/4. There's our number. We're not improper this time, so we don't need this spot. Let's complete the sentence to justify. Each girl will get at least, well, they won't get one whole cupcake, so they'll get at least nothing. They'll get no cupcakes, but they will not get more than one cupcake, because if they each got one cupcake, then there would be 4 cupcakes, and there's not. There's only 3. Our answer is between the numbers 0 and 1. Pause to type in all the boxes before going on to the next page. Time for our lesson activity. In our lesson activity, we're going to complete another problem where we're dividing a whole number by a whole number, but getting a fractional answer. Let's start it together. A catering company delivers 7 sub sandwiches. So there's our dividend. That's the thing that we're going to split up. 3 people share them equally. How much sandwich will each person get? So this one is going to be our dividend. And 3 people share them. That will be our divisor. So in a picture, this would look like 7 subs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then there are 3 people, so they're each going to split into 3. I didn't draw them equal sized, but you have them equal sized in your notebook. And then let's say that I am one of those 3 people, so I'm going to get 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 thirds. In math, this would be 7, because that's our dividend and it comes first, divided by 3. And our fraction would be 7 goes on top, 3 goes on the bottom, 7 thirds. This is improper because 7 is bigger than 3. So let's go over here. 3 goes into 7 2 times, which is 6. We subtract, we're left over with 1. So that means that if I'm one of the people sharing these sandwiches, I'm going to get 2 whole sandwiches and 1/3. To justify that statement, each person will get at least 2 sandwiches, but not more than 3, because the answer, 2 and 1/3, is between this and this. You fill in those 2 boxes on your own. You're almost finished, 5th graders. When you have completed this lesson and you feel comfortable and your digital math notebook is done, then complete your exit slip. Great job!